Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we are right here with Minnie, and I want to show you this super nice carrier backpack that is extensive, and I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds. But this one, besides the comes with this, there's so many kind of like mesh places and ventilation places for them not to feel like super cramped inside or something like that. This actually it is for I want to say for cats mid to small size cats, not for big cats for sure. So Minnie, it is a medium-sized cat. And by the way, I'm going to show this one to you on a close-up in a few seconds and show everything to you. But you have this top one, which you can see. She's right there. So you can actually do this one. Let me actually show you. And you can close it up and just put this strap over here in case that you don't want to, you just want to have this one with your cat hanging from your backpack or something like that. You can do it with this one. So it comes with many other places that you can actually have access to it. But this one also comes with an extensible part on the back. Besides, sorry, Minnie, I'm going to just do this way. And besides that, right here comes with the two straps and one for your chest, which I think it is super nice to have because it is also like an extra way to make sure that everything goes right, as well as this really nice padded straps over here. Minnie, one more time, we're gonna go this way so they can see a little bit right here of a pocket that comes right here on the side, and also one with a Velcro too. And on this other side, she's behaving so good right now. And on this other side, you're gonna find another one with a Velcro and a zipper that you may use for, let's say that you're going to the vet or something like that. So you may want to have the record inside here or their medication or something like that. Finally, she went out, so I'm going to show it to you in a close-up right now. So it seems that she want to go back. I don't know, but you can see that inside it has this really nice soft pad that you can remove just like that in case that you know that number one or number two happen, you can remove it and you can wash it. So it's a hard one. So that's gonna be kind of like the bottom part for them. You want to go inside back again? You can go. But then also you have access right here to a bottom one. And by the way, both of this, let me show you. I'm just gonna unstrap this one. Both of this comes with locks. This right here comes with a lock right here and another lock right here. So that is really, really important, as well as the ventilation on the sides with mesh and these holes, and access from the side and from the other side as well. But I think the most important part is gonna be this one right here. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna unzip this part over here. And once that I have this one, you're gonna see that this is an extensible part, which is fantastic. This is really awesome for them to have extra place to roam around and extra place to feel in a really good place if you're going to the vet or something like that. So both of these things makes it to be a really good carrier, but also backpack. If you're traveling with your pet or something like that, this is a must-have. Super nice and easy to use. For sure, they have plenty. Oh my God, plenty of room for them to, oh, Minnie, what's going on? They have plenty of room and plenty of ventilation as well. So that is another really good thing. And another reason why I think that this one, it could be the one that you need. And I can put the zipper. Okay, yeah, that was my mistake actually. So again, one more time, super easy to use. Really reliable and convenient for small to medium-sized cat, and you have everything you need and maybe everything they need too.